Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Ankr coin. What's the current price of the Ankr coin? What's the price is okay in the Ankr coin? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to this tech channel and like this video friends. Especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Ankr coin, which is very important for all of you. So please keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe now. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video friends. So current price of the Ankr in the market at this time is 0.1314467 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Ankr coin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Ankr coin, so the price is occur in the Ankr coin. The last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is also negative, and last 1 week price change is also negative friends. So what's the reason behind it? Why the price of the Ankr coin is going negative friends? Absolutely, I'm very shocked to see this kind of change occur in the Ankr coin, and I'm very sad what's going in this time in the Ankr coin. Let's see the price chart for more details. Wow, absolutely, I'm very happy to see this jump of the Ankr coin, and I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. As you can see here, now at this time in the last 5 hours price chart of the Ankr coin. So now at this time they start pumping. So I hope that Ankr coin continue this kind of jump for a long time, and that will give us a good amount of profit in the last half this week friends. Anyways, if you look the price chart of the Ankr coin, so the price change occurred in the Ankr coin in the last 1 day, in the last 24 hours. So the price change is negative 6.36%. But very soon the price changes occur become positive friends, and the highest price of the Ankr coin in the last 1 day in the 24 hours is 0.153053 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr coin in the 24-hour friends. So my prediction about Ankr coin is that now this jump is a continuous jump, and I hope they start jumping again and again. They continue this jump for a long time, and in the future they also fast down for a little time. But you don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell Ankr coin friends. If you are a short-term investor, so please, my personal suggestion for all of you is to hold Ankr coin with the last of this month, and if you are a long-term investor, so hold Ankr coin with the last of 2021 friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about Ankr coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and also subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.